how to find Instagram live videos. So if you want to find those Instagram live videos, then what you have to do is you have to first open up your Instagram application. And now after opening, now you can simply tap on the middle plus icon which is on the bottom of your screen. And then you have to simply scroll right side and you have to choose the live option. And here after choosing the live option, you have to simply start your live. And now you have started your live, right? So you have to wait for 3 to 4 seconds. And after that, now you have an arrow which is on the bottom right corner. Simply tap on the arrow and then send your live to any one of your friend. And after that, you can simply tap on send, which is on the bottom of your screen. And now you can end your live. So to end that, you can simply tap on the cross icon which is on the upper right side, and then tap on end video which is on the bottom left side, and tap on discard. And now what you have to do is you have to go to messages which is on the upper right corner, and then from here you can go to your friend to whom you have sent your live. And now you can simply tap on the live video. Here you will have all of the live videos. So to see all of them, you have to simply tap on see all, and from here you can see all of the live videos. So that's it. That's how you see live videos on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.